Yes, let's smile and
Maybe thumbs up or something like that.
Thumbs up.
Okay.
Yes,
Look at
nice.
me for a second.
if you want less CO2, it should be like this.
Sorry.
Yes.
Exactly. I would like now to turn to the high-level champion, His Excellency Minister Iña Serui-Ratu, to go to the lectern and give his reflections.
Thank you, Mr. President. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, every time I come to an event like this, I am reminded anew what an inspiration it has been to be a high-level champion. Yesterday, when strolling past the pavilions, I was impressed by the hive of activities already taking place. The energy in the pavilions reflect eagerness to share information and to discuss new innovations, all with a clear message on the need to take urgent climate action. This message for urgent climate action has been the message throughout 2018, coming from all stakeholders across all regions, but most especially from us in the vulnerable regions and small island developing states. This need for urgent climate action is reinforced by the IPCC special report on global warming of 1.5 degrees. The report emphasizes the need for deep emission cuts in all sectors and highlights the important role that all stakeholders play in this undertaking. We have been hearing about progress on a range of practical solutions that are in existence, and these serve to not only tackle climate change, but also help meet a range of sustainable development goals. I'd like to highlight three areas in particular which we have advanced in 2018. Firstly, the Marrakesh Partnership for Global Climate Action has continued to play a strong role in helping mobilize urgent action. The partnership provides a platform to showcase success, such as a new commitment on finance that we heard about in the event and which we hope to hear much more during the next days in action. Secondly, very practical work is being carried out in the various fora to identify climate solutions and to ensure that they are implemented widely. The Global South was specifically targeted for this fora, and we had very successful regional climate weeks in Nairobi, in Singapore, and in Montevideo. I will not go into the details because of time, Excellencies. And of course, I was humbled to witness how the Talanoa concept, the Talanoa dialogue being carried out across regions. These regional weeks saw active engagement of non-party stakeholders in the Talanoa, and Talanoa sessions were also successfully organized by the various organizations across the world. Finally, the NASCA, the Global Climate Action Portal, which has been revamped and launched at the Global Climate Action Summit in San Francisco. The portal provides visibility of climate commitments for many thousands of cities, regions, and businesses, ranging from individual commitments from companies like Dalmia Cement to cooperative initiatives. I hope that the Global Climate Action Portal provides the place in which progress of non-party stakeholders can be reported. I would like, therefore, to encourage all of you taking action to report your progress there and be an inspiration to others. We will build the vision of tomorrow for a net zero emission world and resilient societies. Winagawa levu, and I thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Minister. Thank you very much, Minister. Thank you, Excellency. Thank you, Minister Serui-Ratu, for your inspiring words.